Yesterday, in the last class, I have started the group 14, the general physical and chemical properties of group 14 element, that is P block element. So, now the next point after the discussion of yesterday, allotropy. What is allotropy? Allotropy is a phenomenon in which an element in the same physical state can exist in different structural formula, and so they have different physical properties. The phenomenon in which an element can exist in same physical state, all are solid state, but they have different structural formula and hence they exist. They have different physical properties, but their chemical properties are almost same. That is called allotrope. In this group, carbon show a variety of allotrope. Carbon, first two allotrope. One is called crystalline allotrope. Another is called amorphous allotrope. Crystalline allotrope are again three types. One is diamond, another is graphite, and third one is fullerene. Diamond, graphite and fullerene. Amorphous allotrope are coal, coke, charcoal, lamp-black and gas carbon. These are different amorphous allotrope. Now first you study the diamond. Now your coming exam, the 20 MCQ question, that is 20 marks. So the syllabus is atomic structure and states of matter. 10 MCQ from atomic structure and 10 MCQ from states of matter. So, hello, okay. Atomic structure, that is chapter 2 in your NCERT books, and states of matter, that is chapter 5. 10 from atomic structure and 10 from states of matter. No. The project will be given at after puja vacation. Practically hoy na project korbe. Diamond is the one of the important allotrope of crystalline form of carbon. It is a very naturally hardest substance, diamond. Now in diamond, you must remember that in diamond each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. In diamond each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. You know carbon have electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. Say carbon has electron 6, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. S and P undergo sp3 hybridization. So there is 4 hybrid orbital. Each hybrid orbital contain 1 electron. These 4 half-fill hybrid orbital of each carbon atom form 4 sigma bond with neighboring 4 carbon atom. And so the shape of the diamond molecule is tetrahedral. Shape of diamond molecule is tetrahedral. sp3 hybridization, and each carbon atom is linked with neighboring 4 carbon atom by strong covalent bond. This carbon again linked with 4 carbon, this carbon again linked with 4 carbon, this carbon again linked with 4 carbon. In this way, a 3-dimensional network structure is formed. Due to the formation of 3-dimensional network structure, diamond is very hard because one carbon atom is surrounded by 4 neighboring carbon atom by strong covalent bond. To break this bond, large amount of energy is needed. So diamond is very hard. Now in diamond, there are 4 valence electron of carbon. All 4 valence electron of carbon involved bonding with neighboring 4 carbon atom. So there is no free electron in the carbon atom. Due to absence of free electron in carbon atom, diamond is bad conductor of electricity. So this is very two important question you must remember. Number 1, why diamond is very hard. Number 2, why diamond does not conduct electricity. Very hard due to formation of 3-dimensional network structure where each carbon atom is strongly covalently bonded with neighboring 4 carbon atom. To break this 4 bond, large amount of energy is needed, so diamond is very hard. Why diamond is bad conductor of electricity? Because in diamond, all 4 valence electron of carbon involved in covalent bonding, that is sigma bonding with neighboring 4 carbon atom. So there is no free electron on each carbon atom. Due to absence of free electron or mobile electron, diamond is bad conductor of electricity. What is the hybridization of carbon atom in diamond? sp3. And what is the shape? Tetrahedral shape. So this is the allotropic form of diamond. Diamond have very high refractive index. The refractive index of diamond is 2.4. Due to very high refractive index, the critical angle for the pair of light between when light passes from earth to diamond is very low. The critical angle of diamond is only 24 degree. So when light enter into the one plane of the diamond, it suffer total internal reflection, and due to multiple total internal reflection, the diamond glitters. So diamond is very shiny and glitters due to total internal reflection of light energy when it enter into the diamond surface. So this is the structure of diamond. Due to very hard nature, diamond is used to cut the glass or rock or so on. Black diamond mainly used to cut glass or rock. Or another type of diamond that glitters very strongly, they are used as a jewelry to prepare ornament. Hello student, you must remember two important questions of diamond. Why it is very hard and why diamond is bad conductor of electricity, and the hybridization of carbon atom in diamond and shape of diamond molecule. Okay. syllabus के दुबार बोललाम ता तो सुनते पारे ना. The syllabus is chapter 2 and 5. First you open your NCERT books, chapter 2 and 5. Now next, graphite. In graphite, each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. In diamond, each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, but in graphite, each carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. The sp2 hybridized carbon atom form 3 covalent bond with neighboring carbon atom, and thus it form a